How to fix Instagram not working or not opening on laptop or PC. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Remember, apply this solution on your PC. I will only show you on the desktop mode in my mobile. So in your Chrome, search for Instagram. As you can see, this is the desktop version right now. So what you will have to do is tap on the three dot from your top right corner and then select delete browsing data. Simply delete data. Disable any kind of VPN if you are using one, and your problem should be fixed. Try opening Instagram again and it should be fixed. Sometimes it's just the problem of the server directly from Instagram. If that is so, you'll just have to wait for some time and it will fix on its own. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.